Hi, I'm Jax Drugel, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Minecraft 1.18 Caves and Cliffs Part 2 update. So we'll just start by making a new world, and I'm just going to prepare some stuff to show you guys. Alright, a couple things to note here is that, first of all, you can just tell that the caves are a bit different. They seem a bit more extreme. So yeah, it goes with the update name Caves and Cliffs. The second thing I would like to point out is this new block. So caves have new biomes. This one is called a dripstone cave, and it just shows I don't really know how to describe it, but basically you can see these in real caves actually, where they have these stones that looks like spikes and they just simply trip down. I guess it's in the name. Another huge cave biome is the lush biome, and those can be found by locating an azalea tree in the overworld, but I'm having a bit trouble finding those, so I admit that it is pretty hard to find. You can also notice that rivers actually look like rivers. They're not just little chunks of, not just a little strait of water. Now it actually has some depth into it with the different hills. So overall, I think this update, although it says caves and cliffs, which does apply, it's just a huge biome change. So you can see cool things like this. So yeah, just a really cool update for biomes. And now I'm going to be showing you the cave part of thing. So the first structure I would like to talk about is the noodle. It's called the Noodle Cave. Basically it's the old cave, and it looks like this. It's fairly tight, as you can tell, but it's not as bad as the spaghetti caves. Our next cave structure is the spaghetti cave, which, as you can tell, it's very tight. We use tight corners. It's just small and compact. So yeah, this is our spaghetti cave. And the last and probably my favorite cave structure is the cheese cave. And as you can tell, it's not as open as most cheese caves are. Let me get to this area. Here you go. This is a great area. As you can tell, it has those pillars that are going from the ground to the ceiling of the cave, and it's big and open, which can make mining, I guess, easier. There's no normal stone, as you can tell. On to peaks biomes, we have the frozen peaks biome. It's frozen. Next, we have the stony peaks peak biome, and something to note is this calcite, and it can be used for building, I guess. It doesn't have that much of a value. And the last peak biome to look at, although this isn't the best example, is Jagged Cliffs, and it's gonna have some snow on it, so it might be hard to tell the difference between frozen peaks, but it's gonna have stone on it, and it's going to kind of have a pattern, a striped pattern. Like I said, this isn't the best example, but you can see the stone thrown in between the snow and ice. That's pretty much it for this update. There's just some smaller things like bug fixes, or now you can attract horses with golden foods, such as like the golden apples and the golden carrots. And I hope you enjoyed this Minecraft update, and I hope it helped you out if you play Minecraft. If you don't play, it's definitely worth a try playing, because you can play with your friends. And yeah, this is Jax Drugel signing off.